Hi there, welcome back. Sydney Brown here, the memoir mastermind of the Writing and Publishing for Beginners channel. I am so glad that you're here, and I am excited to talk to you today about setting up a writing schedule. Now, you may ask why? Why is it important that you have a writing schedule? And let me tell you, here is exactly why. Life. You know, if you allow it, things will just drop in front of you that need to be cared for. And you being the person you are, you're going to try to take care of the things that drop in front of you, right? That's what we do, especially, anyone who has responsibilities or a family, anything like that. You're just like, man, I gotta do this first. I gotta do that. And you'll find that your goals or your dreams or your ambition, anything that you want for yourself, is something that you're going to not do and not prioritize because there's other things that need you more right then. Don't let yourself fall into that trap anymore. You've probably done it for years already. I want you to make sure that if you're doing this for you, and you're going to stick to it. You're going to set this as a special thing that is for you. Let this be your treat to yourself. It's going to be a little bit therapeutic. It should be something that you truly enjoy. And so I genuinely want you to set time aside for yourself. I want you to do it every day. There, I said it. Every day. Every day. But if you can't do it every day, that's okay. That's okay too. It's important that as you go through here, you still have your family, you still have friends, you still have jobs, you still have to, wash the car, whatever it is. You still have those things, and I totally get it. They are important. They do matter. But don't put yourself at the bottom of the list anymore. It's not time for that anymore. Now it's time for you to, maybe not at the very top of the list, but move yourself up, because in doing this project, you're creating a memoir that is going to be something for someone else. This is, even though I'm saying it's your time for you, it's actually going to be for somebody else as well. So make sure that you give yourself this time, because you have to be able to get in here, go through the reflective times, go through the process of learning and understanding, how you do this, one, how you do it well, two, and then, just doing it. So your training period, all of this stuff, try to give yourself, if you can, 30 minutes to an hour a day. Sometimes I call it finding minutes. Those minutes, if you have a phone or an iPad, might be in the bathroom. If your time is that allocated, then you may just have to steal a few minutes where you can, and that's okay too, as long as you do it. So just keep in mind, each day you put toward this, you are training as a writer. You are training just like an athlete would. You're training your body and your mind. You're keeping your senses sharp. This is a good thing for you. This is a very good thing for you. When you have a well-planned writing schedule, it can increase your productivity. It will help you meet your writing goals, and it'll help you, make the process a little less daunting, I would say. It can be overwhelming. And that's why you're doing the I Remember When project. If you're watching this, you may not be in the description. If you're not yet involved in the I Remember When project, make sure that you look in the description, and there'll be a link to how to get involved with this project. You will get additional coaching and things from me, and more hands-on stuff than just the YouTube training. But when you do this, you're basically enabling yourself to learn, to get a little more disciplined, to just really prioritize yourself. Prioritize yourself. Give yourself some of that, the energy and the love that you give everybody else. So what you want to do is, grab your favorite notebook, open up a new document and whatever you use. I love Google Sheets, Google Docs, depending on how you're doing it, if you're doing research or if you're actually writing. I like doing things through the Drive because, well, I just personally do. But however you want to do it, I do find that if you are doing some therapeutic writing and reflecting, that doing it as a journal will probably be a little bit more special, more it takes more pressure off of you and allows you to just kind of let the memories fall out of you. Falling out of you is something that you'll hear me say quite a bit, and it's a good thing. So usually you don't want things to fall out of you, but when you're going through the memoir process, you do. You want all of that to just drop straight out of your mind, out of your heart, and onto your paper. So here we go. We're going to start talking about why writing or why having a writing schedule is vital. And then we're going to talk about the top 10 tips for creating an effective writing schedule. Now, if you have not already, please subscribe to the channel and make sure every video you watch, if you would, I would appreciate it if you would like it, and then put a comment below that, what you like the best or what questions you have, because this helps me be able to keep this content free. And it also helps me make sure that I'm doing videos on the things that you actually want to learn. So with that, let's go into the next section.